ending today, I would have worked to do my analysis, so I will be requesting for more time. Your understanding and a little more time. So I'll give you another date in those two matters. But all said and done, you must file your documents by Monday to enable me look at them on Tuesday and deliver my judgment on sentence on Wednesday. May I make it very clear that if the documents will not have been filed, then I may not consider them. But I'm sure you understand the necessity and the importance of filing those documents. You're the only people who have the benefit of speaking last, Professor Nandu and Munge, and you have the benefit of responding to what has been written. Had we done oral submissions, highlights the state probably would have come in after you, but now you have the last opportunity. My earlier reading quite a bit on the sentencing makes it very clear that it's not just the tail end process, but it's a significant stage in the criminal justice system and in a criminal case trial. So I hope we all know that. All right, so allow me then to just confirm that this matter has been rescheduled to the 13th day of March 2024. Let's agree on time. Is 11:30 okay in the morning?
Yes, it is fine with us.
The other councils?
It's fine with us.
Okay. So, as much as I started by doing a disclaimer on how today I'm not the one who is being accused of adjourning this matter, I think at the end of the day I'm the driver of the vehicle, being the one presiding over this court. And I think the most decent thing to do is to apologize for any inconvenience that may be caused by the delay in
na sio ciana kuma family ite hotete na makiria kuma